Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. If you're looking behind me, what all these boxes are all about, those are the boxes that I have to unbox and review and then share the videos with you. So we have a lot of material, my sons are helping me to go through them, and please stay tuned because there is a lot of exciting content coming. We are constantly adding new videos, probably around 5-6 per week, so please stay tuned. If you like our videos, like them, leave them comments below. By just watching those videos, you're already supporting us. So if you like them, don't forget to subscribe and then hit that bell notification button. Today, I have another unboxing and another review here, and it's this one. So one of the smaller boxes. And I'm just going to open it up really quickly. I know what is inside. It is probably most of you are going to roll your eyes and laugh at me, because some of my RC friends, when they see some of my videos about two-channel airplanes, they roll their eyes, they laugh at me, and they could tell me, oh, stop playing with those toys. Well, there is a reason I keep playing with these two-channel RC aircraft toys. The reason is, most people start with these. I mean, I have seen so many friends, even my kids, my sons, just shy away from flying or trying out because they think this is so difficult and they're afraid of crashing their airplanes. And what a better way of starting with something that costs only $25. Come on, you cannot go wrong. Even if you crash it, you cannot really break these things. They are so lightweight. I mean, the only thing you can do is you can hang it on a tree and it will be difficult to retrieve, but still, it's 25 bucks. So, the majority of people start with these. And their first experience is so important for their decision to stay or leave the hobby. So that's the reason I take such a pride on my channel, on our channel, to review these things, because I want to give my honest opinion. I pay for these, my own money, I get them, I'm not biased at all. And I'm looking from the perspective of a semi-experienced RC airplane pilot. So when I say something good, then that means that it is a good investment to make if you want to start this hobby, if you are new to the hobby. So without any further ado, let me show you what the box looks like. Air Herald 2-channel. It's kind of like a Delta Wing. I have other 2-channel airplanes that I already reviewed on the channel, but this was the first one that with this shape. So as I find more and more, I keep ordering them. One of our subscribers, I think the name is Birds Aditya, he or she recommended one and I ordered it yesterday. So there are more 2-channel planes coming. As long as they are not too expensive and you want to see a review, please leave your comments below, make a suggestion, and we'll buy those as soon as they arrive. We'll try to make a review video and share our honest opinion. It's a good one, it's a dud, or it's a keeper. So let's open the box and see what is inside. Here we go. I think this came from China. On eBay it was $23.91, free shipping, and with the tax I paid it was $25.40, right above $25 range, but it was less than 30. So alright, what do we have here? A very short instruction manual here. You know, you don't need much information to how to replace the propellers, flight related matters, and the battery charging. Looks like it's going to take 2 AA batteries, the little controller. Here is the battery charger and 2 spare propellers. These are usually A and B, they rotate in different directions, so make sure if you have to replace, you replace the right one. If it's spinning the wrong way, it's just going to pull instead of pushing it. And everything is ready to fly, very lightweight. You know, once I charge it before flying, I'm going to give it a little waiting session and see how much it weighs. Very small, 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Yes, it takes 2 AA batteries. Do we have anything else? No, that's it. And I believe they have like 2 versions. One is black, one is white. And this one was listed as white, and I like the white. But in the future, I may just for fun get the black one as well and then do some, you know, dog fights with my kids in the park. And I don't even know what the brand is, just says Air Herald, Upper Air Herald, radio controlled plane series. Flight time says 10 minutes. I will believe it because the other ones, they fly over 10 minutes. The baby, the QF002. 2.4 gigahertz, 2-channel radio. EPP material, expanded polypropylene. It is super tough material, even if it breaks, it's not like polystyrene, it doesn't crumble into small pieces, it breaks evenly, and then you can just put hot glue and then, or EPO foam safe glue and then glue it back on. It's very difficult to destroy, they are very flexible. I like EPP as well as EPO foams. It's very easy to open the bottom part. There's a little latch that opens up and the battery should come out easily. Kind of tucked in there right now. There we go. It's like a tiny little battery. The writing on it is difficult to read though. It's definitely one cell, which is 3.7 volts. I cannot even read how many milliamp hours because that section is kind of smeared. But I'm guessing it's going to be less than 100 milliamp hour battery. So let's connect to this charger. And the light on the charger came on, so it's charging. I'm going to also put 2 AA batteries in the transmitter. Literally, I mean, this just takes 2 minutes to take everything out and connect to battery charger. As soon as the battery is charged, it will be ready to fly. Alright, the battery is all charged. Disconnect it. Put it in here. And one thing I like about these little 2-channel airplanes, they always put an on-off switch. That's great because I can connect the battery, tuck it inside, and everything should be ready to go. So let's try it out. So that little red light is blinking. Let's put on a flat surface. Turn on the transmitter. It's blinking, stop blinking. Up, down. And it's working. Okay, it should be all set to go. And it is 16.95 grams and it is listed at 16.5. That's quite accurate. Only like a half a gram difference, so perfect. It's very lightweight. Wouldn't take much wind to blow it around. One more thing to note, I did not see anything saying that this is a stabilized airplane. So it may not have the stabilization, but it may very well have. So we'll see outside how stable it is. We are outside in the local park with that little Air Herald Delta Wing Flyer, and everything is ready. We are losing light quickly, so I'm going to be very quick. I'm going to turn this on. As you can see, the red light is blinking. Put it on the ground and then turn on the transmitter, up, down. It's ready to go. Let's see if it is well balanced. We can only figure it out once we start flying it. So I'm just going to take off and see how it goes. Wish me luck. Oh, it's extremely tail heavy. Extremely tail heavy. I think it needs a little bit of weight on the bottom, so it was going directly up. As you could see, I'm going to give less throttle and see if I can start by gliding gently. Very little, like maybe 25% throttle. Yeah, it's almost hanging. Probably a little bit of weight in the front may improve it, but as it is okay. It's kind of like a high alpha. my son is actually following me quite easily. Very slow flyer, but I mean, in terms of flight characteristics, it's not a good representation of what RC airplane, even toy RC airplanes can do, because as you have seen, the QF002 baby, so I will put the video in the descriptions, but the link in the descriptions, that is a much better plane. This is more for indoors in my opinion. I mean, right now it is completely calm. Okay, you can stand there and I'm going to rotate it around so just to follow it with the camera. I'm just going to. And this will be probably a good indoor flyer. The control is like almost binary. It's either turning or not turning. Like there is no proportionality in my opinion. It's either turning like full, and if I do more, it's not going to turn more. It's just on-off switch basically. Sorry to buzz you, Kaya. It is absolutely calm right now, maybe like 1, 2 or 2 miles per hour wind, and it is doing very well in terms of like keeping it close. I don't even have to move. We just keep flying like around myself. But still, I believe a very small weight in the front will definitely have the characteristic. This is just flying high alpha, high angle of attack all the time. And if I increase the power, let's see what happens. Yeah, it's doing, oh wow, it's doing like purposing like loops, and this is like full throttle. And I'm, wow, like it's a stunt plane. I mean, I'm full up and full left, and then I'm going to now do it like at full right. Yeah, I mean, this is like acting like a stunt plane. It is crazy. It is absolutely crazy. Okay, I'm going to decrease and see how I can manage not to crash during one of those undulations. But yeah, I mean, it is about 50% throttle. It's flying high alpha. If you want to accept it like that, that's fine. This is not a good plane to learn how to fly RC airplanes. It's a good toy, I think. It was hilarious, like what I did. So it's very on-off, very binary in turns, but I mean, it is okay. It's so lightweight, and I only paid like $24, $25, including tax. So I'm going to improve this. Probably you'll see another video of this one when I'm just going to adjust the CG or center of gravity a little bit, so it flies straight, and then I can just go instead of going up and down like that. Would I recommend it? Not people who are thinking getting into RC aircraft, but as a toy for kids, it's almost unbreakable. It's very lightweight and cannot hurt anybody. I mean, I'm throwing that at my son, he's just smiling, not even laughing. So yeah, I mean, you cannot go wrong. It's cheap enough. But if you really want to fly something and you have about $25 budget, go buy the Baby. I'll give the link below. This, once I improve it, the flight characteristics, I will let you know what I did, and I will make another video. So thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. And I would like to thank my son Kaya for being the camera person. You're here, don't worry about it. I'll include you. So please stay tuned for more videos. We have so many boxes, as I've shown you at the beginning of the video, to open, unbox, and do a review, and then maiden flight. So please stay tuned. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.